So hey guys, my name is Tiny and I got bored so I did this video and for nothing and I know it's fucking nonsense but I just want to talk and annoy you guys. So for this video I'm gonna sing a song. It's what is called Killing You Softly by Casey Tandingan. Da 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 da. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him to listen for a while. And then he was this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming your pain with my fingers. Oh, oh, singing your life with these words. Killing you softly with this song. I'm killing you softly with this song. I'm setting your whole life. These words, I'm killing you softly with this song. Oh, oh, oh.